Do you ever struggle to look put together and presentable at school? Do you find yourself running late in the morning, unable to find an outfit that makes you feel confident and stylish? Well, you are in luck, because today I am going to share with you 10 simple ways to look neat and presentable at school. Every single day. People can't help but notice you, so grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to jot down these tips. Let's start with tips number 1. Morning skincare routine. Alright. First thing first. If you have puffy face in the morning, like potato, here's what you'll do. Take a 1 ice cube, gently rub on your face. It's helped to reduce puffiness to your face, also give you a natural pink glow. Clean your face with a gentle cleanser. If you have a oily skin, use gentle foaming-based cleanser to your face. My dry skin girlies? Use gel-based cleanser to clean your face properly. Don't skip moisturizer and sunscreen, even if you're staying indoors. Moisturizer just makes your skin look more refreshing and glowing, while sunscreen protects your skin from harmful sunburn, tan, and harmful UV rays. Don't forget to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Hair tricks. Our hair are the main character to look neat and presentable. But it's a bit difficult, right? Because we've all had those days where our hairs are just not cooperating. But don't worry. I give you some tips that convert your bad hair day to good hair day. Dry shampoo, a lifesaver on a bad hair day. It helps to absorb excess oil and adds texture immediately, just like magic. I got you girls, don't worry. If you don't have any dry shampoo in your home, use baby powder. It's also works same like dry shampoo. In bad hair days, you can also try different hairstyles, messy buns, simple loose braids or ponytail. It's make you look super cute and stylish. Here's some hairstyle ideas. Tips for hijabi girls. Here's some tips for my beautiful hijabi girls. Tips number 1. Choose hijab color according to your skin tone. Right hijab color enhance your natural skin tone that makes you more beautiful. Choose light and neutral color, avoid too much bright color. Tips number 2. Find 5 best hijab styles that suits your face shaped. Avoid too much layering hijab styles, it's looking cheap. Instead, try simple single lead hijab styles that make you look clean and elegant. No makeup look. This is my favorite, because I don't like to do a full face makeup. Can I tell you a secret? You don't need to do a full face makeup. Instead, try this no makeup look to look glowy and presentable. Look for tinted moisturizer or BB cream. And say goodbye to your heavy foundation. Use something that enhance your natural skin tone, also same time feel light to your skin. Blush. Just a little dab of blush on the apples of your cheeks, and little bit on your nose looks cute and youthful, without even trying. Apply a little bit of lip tint on your lips. Then apply your favorite lip gloss top of your lip tint. It's make your lips looks pink and juicy. Just few seconds. Highlighter. Apply little bit of highlighter high points of your face. Like your cheekbones, brows bones make all the difference. It gives your face soft hint of shine. That makes your face more glowy and dewy. Look neat and stylish. To look neat and stylish, first things you do to wear proper ironed cloth. Even if uniform, don't wear uniform that too loose or tight in your body. Instead, wear a uniform that fits your body perfectly. It's make you look more tidy and elegant. Wear clean shoes and socks. Also, you can add a cute hand watch to stand out your look. Nails. Nails also play very important role to look clean and stylish. Trim your nails and give a proper shape. Here's some nails-shaped idea. If you want to add color on your nails, apply neutral color nail paint, avoid dark and bright. Also, if you want to add little extra fun to your nails, then you can also try cute and simple nail art. Backpacks. Choosing the perfect backpack is crucial. You want to make sure it fits all your textbooks, notebooks, and supplies while still looking cute and trendy. Opt for a backpack with padded straps and back support to keep you comfortable throughout the day. Don't forget to consider the material. Waterproof options are ideal for rainy days. Now let's talk about organization. The key to a successful school year is a well-organized backpack. Invest in a backpack with multiple compartments and pockets to keep everything in its place. Use pencil cases, pouches, or even small containers to separate your pens, pencils, and other small items. This will save you time and stress when searching for that elusive pen during class. Girls, it's time to let your creative juices flow. Personalize your backpack to make it one of a kind. Add patches, pins, or keychains that reflect your personality and interests. You can even DIY your backpack by painting or decorating it with stickers. Your backpack should be a reflection of who you are, so don't be afraid to get creative. Don't overload your backpack. We've all been guilty of overloading our backpacks with unnecessary items. It's time to declutter and prioritize. Only pack what you need for the day and leave the rest at home or in your locker. This will not only lighten your load but also prevent back and shoulder pain in the long run. Trust me, your spine will thank you. Good posture. Good posture is not just about looking tall and confident. It's about taking care of your body and allowing yourself to breathe and move freely. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack on just one shoulder all day. That's what poor posture is doing to your body. To achieve good posture, start by being mindful of your body alignment. Stand up straight, roll your shoulders back, and keep your chin parallel to the ground. Engage your core muscles to support your spine and avoid slouching. Incorporating simple stretches and exercises into your daily routine can also help improve your posture. Shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and back extensions can strengthen the muscles that support your spine, making it easier to maintain good posture throughout the day. Smelling good. Smelling fresh all day, it's very important, girls. Because it's summer, our body releases so much sweat that makes sometimes our bodies smell awful. But don't worry, girls. I tell you how to keep smelling good all day long. First, layer your scents. It's summer, so don't use thick body lotion. Instead, use lightweight and light-scented body lotion. Then add a body mist or light-scented perfume on top. It holds your perfume scent last longer and smell amazing. Also, you can carry a mini perfume in your bag to freshen up whenever you need. It's life savior, especially in this hot summer days. Positive attitude. Every morning, before you even step foot in your school, take a moment to reflect on all the things you're grateful for. Whether it's your supportive friends, your amazing teachers, or the opportunity to learn and grow, expressing gratitude will set the tone for a successful day ahead. When you start your day with a positive mindset, you'll be unstoppable. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you look your best at school every day.